Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I've just got home from my vacation to get some inspiration, and today I'm gonna deliver it just for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy paintings of mid-century style inspired. You can make it whether for your Barbie or for your house interior. How fun is that? First, you will need pieces of cardboard like this. The size is actually up to you. You can stack 2 pieces of cardboard if you want it to be thick, but I think my cardboard is thick enough, so I'm just gonna use 1 piece of it. Then you will need any kind of white fabric that's easy to work with. I'm using cotton. And then we're going to put the white glue on the front surface evenly. To do that, you have to choose which one is the front surface. Choose the smoother one. Then, let's do it. And then, let's continue to glue the backside of the canvas using hot glue. Just follow what I'm doing. Our mini canvas is done. Next, let's talk about the color palette. I'm going to make these 6 earthy colors using these 4 colors of acrylic paint. Just mix them up together to color 3 matching paintings. As long as you stick in this color palette, your pair of paintings will never get wrong. And let's get started! This is the shape I'm going to draw. Simple enough, right? And I'm gonna show you how to make it easily. You can use any leftover paper to make the pattern. Just shape it till you're happy with it. As long as it's symmetrical, it will never go wrong. Yes, it's a little cheating way to make a painting. So you have to make the outline first using pencils and then color it with the paint. Okay, my 3 outline drawings are done, and then let's start to color it. First, I'm gonna make the color mixture. But before, I'm gonna mark some parts that I'm going to color with black. then some kind of dusty pink color I've made of a mixture of burnt umber and white. And then continue to the burnt umber color. It's like a dark brown color. And then continue to a little orange kind of brown, burnt sienna. And our first 3 matching paintings are done. Let's continue to the next pair. I'm going to draw organic shape of nature just like this. You don't need any particular pattern. And for the perfect circle, I'm using a coin. Look, it's done. I'm going to make another to create the night scene. Use another coin like this and like this. 2 drawings are done. The next drawing I'm going to do is to make a shape of a window using paper pattern and a ruler. And let's continue to draw the scenery just like before. And then continue to draw a simple shape of a cactus. You don't need a professional drawing skill to do this. Voila! The outline drawings are done. Let's continue to color it. I'm going to make a gray color using a mixture of black and white, because I don't want to make the night scene really dark. And then let's continue to make a soft peachy color using a mixture of burnt sienna and white. So, which one do you like? The combination of meaningless geometric shapes, or the combination of nature illustration paintings in organic shapes, or maybe the combination of 6 of them? They look great together because they stick to one color palette. Using a real blank canvas you can find easily online, you can make bigger paintings for yourself. How cool is that? So you can make these paintings whether for your Barbie interior or for your real-life, life-size interior. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to leave your comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you